Oh, 19th Sunday today, 19th of Jan. I'm working in the van. Yes, that's ice. It's about half 8, 8:45 in the morning. It's light enough to get cracking. It's late enough to make noise. So my plan today is get the floor. I've got board, not that obviously, I'm just using that to step in and out, but cut the board into size in here. This is what all got contaminated with the diesel spill. I would love to get my heater back on today, but that's the electrics and everything, so I'm not going to rush that. Get the floor in, start building the frame for the new seating area, which is going to go, it did go to just here, from there to there. Well, now I'm going to bring it all the way to here. So nice big seating area, separate section for the diesel, like the, what you call it, the hose, the diesel hose went in and went straight out, but it was enough to cause the damage. Stupid bloke. Anyway, separate compartments, completely sealed, watertight, and that's the plan today. Get that beaded out, the shape that I want for the seating area. Not sure if I want to keep that there or not. Now I've lowered, see, I've lowered all this massively. This is going back in the shop to get cut to size for this. So it'll be in 2 bits, and literally when you're making a double up, you just tie them together, not a problem. Put the joints at the bottom where your feet are. So I'm happy about that, because that'll just stay sitting there, look quite nice. But when it's off, the height now is just perfect. Good seating. I know it's hard for you to see that, but believe it or not, I am a bit camera shy. I do go on it now and then, but anyway, get moving, get warm, get cracking. Well, that's the floor in. Just got the strip to run down there, screw it in. I prefer to screw it in just in case I have to remove it again. I'm hoping I don't. Put some seal across there, and then start on the framework before I renew the lino. I kind of got the framework sort of where I want it. Just got to screw it all together, glue it, screw it and glue it, glue it, screw it. Nice cozy spot for the battery there, and I'll have the wiring running down this channel, totally separate, so a lot tidier. Last job was okay, I was happy with it, but there's always room for improvement. I'm going to take this out and screw it all together, put a top on it. Got that bit to do, just run out of wood. Tell you what I do have though, oh, absolute godsend, saves so much time. Right, that's where I'm leaving it for today. Floor in, framework pretty much done. Just tidying up. Football, Sunday football.